Hey guys, okay, I've got a monster. It's an Abus. It's a 3455. It's got hardened down here. It's got special alloy stamped across the shackle. Lovely sort of open shackle, beautiful heavy lump of thing. It's about a pound. I think it weighs. It's proper heavy. Property of NYCHA, New York City Housing Association, something like that. Got this lock from LukesLocks, so really appreciate this, mate. It's a beast. It's kicked my ass a few times. Yeah, this is take 146. It's I can't consistently get it open. This spring tension, you've got an offset keyway down here. Goes off at an angle like that. There's the key bitting. So we've got a high 1, low 2, high 3 and 4, and low 5. It's very strong, powerful. Nice action. Shackle pops out. You can see there it's about 1.25 inches. Yeah. Actually, I thought it knocked the key out. Right, okay, so basically, yeah, it's a repinnable core. And we've got spring tension on this core here. So I've got the vise at a little bit of an angle. Let's put a bit more light on the subject there. Yeah, I've got the vise at a bit of an angle just to straighten it up a little bit. I'm going to use top of the keyway, although actually I could use either one for this. But I'm going to use a gem, so I sort of need this area to go up and around. It's either a gem or this usual sort of a reachy type diamond that I use for yellow keyways. Okay, so I'm going to go in looking for a binder, and I'm doing this at a bit of a funny angle, I know. Right, so it's number 5. I've probably picked this about 5 or 6 times altogether. Key is, I think, not to overset. It's number 2. Okay, I got a bit there on 5. Number 2 is a bit of an overset trap. Okay, a little bit on 4. Some of the warding there. Let's try number 1 out. Okay, a little bit of a false set there on 1. I'm trying to avoid 2 a minute. Looking for some feedback. There we go. That was 2 actually. There may be a bit of feedback coming from 3. Okay, another further turn on 4. It's 3 I'm on. Oh, I thought that had gone then. So hunting around for some feedback. I got something down the back end there. 4. Yay! 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 I'm super happy at that. Finally. Right. Yeah, it's what time is it? It's 1:45 in the morning. Dear. Okay, so we've got a Phillips. Yeah. I'm happy about that. That's good. It's actually possibly one of the quickest times I've done it too. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Oh, such a little thing. Such a monster. I'll lock it up. I'm trying not to stab myself. Okay, so I'm going to come counterclockwise. Oh, I wasn't prepared for a change. Okay. Oh, I cannot believe that. Oh, it's a 6-pinner. That is why I've been having so much trouble. You bugger. Right, okay. I thought then I was going too far down the core because I could feel something further down. But it was feedback and it clicked, so I went with it. Ah, that is really good. Proper tricked me, that did. No wonder I couldn't do it regularly. I'm chuffed about that. That's really good. Yeah, the key's only got 5 if you're wondering why I'm dancing around here. Okay, standard, 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 standard. Wow. See where I've been munching the bottom of these with my pick. Let's check out the core. No, there's a bit of machine marking on 2, but I don't think they would just do 2. Okay, yeah, that's really good. Wow, you can really see where I've been hammering these pins, or well, I mean I've hammered them, but I'm sure they've been hammered before as well. Very cool, Luke. Very cool. Okay, and up top. We've got a standard in 1, which is about right. And a spool in 2. Surprises so far up the top. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. Spool in 5. And a spool in 6. Yeah, all the springs look the same. Nothing up the top either. Very good. Right, I'm chuffed about that. Really good. Okay, just take the zoom off of here. Put a bit of light on that. So hopefully you can see down the bottom we've got all standards. And then up top you've got a, sorry I'm wrestling with a light here in the middle of the night. We got a standard in 1, and then we have got 5 little spools. Standard's all done there, standard in 1. I've dropped the little one too. Right, okay, great stuff. Thank you ever so much, Luke. I love this lock. It's a beast, it's a monster, and it surprised me. So yeah, chuffed to bits with that. Thank you ever so much, mate. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will catch you all very soon. Take it easy, be good.